Before you start, you will need 4 items. The first item you will need is a toothbrush. There are 2 types of toothbrushes, electric and manual. If you select the manual toothbrush, you want it to be a soft toothbrush with micro bristles so you can get between the teeth and the gums to get all the food debris and the bacteria removed. After you have the right toothbrush, you need toothpaste, floss, and mouthwash. These are the 3 easy steps for cleaning your teeth with braces. Step 1. Tilt the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your tooth and gums. Step 2. Move the toothbrush around in small circles against the tooth and the gums. Don't forget to brush all of your teeth in the front and the back. Step 3. Finish the job by flossing and rinsing with a mouthwash. If you're having trouble flossing with regular floss, try floss threaders. That will make the job a little bit easier. It's very important to have a thorough and consistent oral hygiene program for the successful outcome of your orthodontic care. So develop a good program and stick with it. I'm Dr. Reeves from Tollgate Orthodontics. Thank you for listening and keep smiling.
Tollgate Orthodontics, specialists in straight smiles.